Hello everyone. So today's note is about plant and animal cells. So these are different organelles, and I will be talking about the description and function of these organelles. So the first part is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is mostly water and can change from jelly-like to liquid, allowing organelles to move around. Chemical reactions take place in the cytoplasm. It contains substances that the cell stores until needed. It is in both animal and plant cells. Next, we have the cell membrane. So the cell membrane, it's double layered, it supports the cell, and it's semi-permeable to allow some substances to enter while keeping others out. For example, it will allow substances such as air and water to come in while preventing other substances that are foreign to the cell from entering. Next, we have the nucleus. The nucleus contains genetic information and controls cell activities. It contains genetic information stored on chromosomes. Chromosomes contain DNA, which is copied when a cell divides, so each new cell has a complete new set of DNA chromosomes. Next, we have the mitochondria. The mitochondria makes energy available to the cells. They're sometimes called power plants. Next, we have the mitochondria. The mitochondria makes energy available to the cell, sometimes called the power plants. Muscle cells, for example, would have more mitochondria, and fat storage cells would have less mitochondria. Cellular respiration occurs in mitochondria, and the formula for cellular respiration is glucose plus oxygen, produces carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Next, we have the endoplasmic reticulum. This is a three-dimensional network of branching tubes and pockets. It's continuous from the nuclear membrane to the cellular membrane. It transports materials such as proteins. It's involved with muscle contractions in muscles, and it assists with the production and release of hormones in the brain. Next, we have the Golgi body. The Golgi body collects and processes materials to be removed from the cell. It makes and secretes mucus. Cells lining the intestine have many Golgi bodies. Next, we have the vacuoles. Animal cells have many small vacuoles. Mature plant cells usually have one larger central vacuole. The role of vacuoles is to remove unwanted substances from the cell. One role is to maintain internal fluid pressure in cells. Usually, vacuoles are used to store water. Next, we have the cell wall. So the cell wall, it's only specific to plant cells, and it's a rigid, porous structure that's made up of cellulose, and it supports and protects the cell. Next, we have chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are also specific to plant cells. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and give leaves a green color. They absorb light from the sun that's used in photosynthesis. And the formula for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water plus energy produces glucose and oxygen.